quick last, I'll just take 2 more minutes. You have all seen the project of ISKCON Kurukshetra. Have you seen it? Who has not seen it? Can I please see a raise of hands? Okay, there are a couple of devotees who have not seen it. It's in the form of a chariot, 4 huge horses. We have wheels. It's like a temple. It's like a chariot basically. Krishna is taking Arjuna in the battlefield of Mahabharata. So when the construction was going on, Guru Maharaj used to come to inspect the construction, and we used to tell Guru Maharaj, "आप यहीं से देख लीजिएगा, just see it from here," and then we used to give the reports. But Guru Maharaj used to say, "No, I want to go here, I want to go here, I want to go here." You can see how fragile Guru Maharaj is. He could not walk like very strongly. Guru Maharaj थोड़ा हिलते थे ऐसे करके. One time, Guru Maharaj, he went straight right up on the rooftop. You've seen that video, Prabhuji? Devotees are holding him from behind and we are holding him from top. And Guru Maharaj went right on the top of the temple. And he said, "I want to see how the temple looks from the top." And we were just like in awe and reverence that Guru Maharaj, you do not need to do anything like this, but you are so particular, you want to see everything. The horses came, जब घोड़े आए थे, they came from different countries. Every time they were coming, Guru Maharaj was saying, "No, they're not up to the mark, they're not up to the mark." And then they came once again from Indonesia. Guru Maharaj said, "ये घोड़े बड़े थके हुए लग रहे हैं. They look very tired. I want to see the veins. I want to see the veins of the horses." And then when they finally were made from Mumbai and when they came and Guru Maharaj saw them, Guru Maharaj said, "Now they feel like Krishna's horses." So, as Srila Prabhupada used to say, what is the need of thousands of moons when we can have only one? What is the need of thousands of stars when we can have just one moon that can illuminate the whole sky? So our Guru Maharaj was that one Chandra, one moon that illuminated the whole sky of Krishna consciousness. So I fall in the lotus feet of my Guru Maharaj. And I thank him repeatedly for allowing me. He actually told me that, "Govind, you should also go to the West and preach." So if I'm over here, sitting here, Guru Maharaj, my visa got declined back in 2015. I reapplied 2025, and now I sit in front of you, trying to glorify you in some words. Everything is happening, and everything will happen just because of you. His Holiness Gopal Krishna Goswami Guru Maharaj ki jai. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Wonderful glorification. All right, Ramchandra Priya Prabhu, Vijay Madha Prabhu, Anand Rupa Mataji. Let's keep it 2 minutes. We want to do offering in 5 more minutes. Thank you.
Jai Shri Guru Maharaj ki jai. All the assembled Vaishnava devotees, please accept that.
Today Gopal Krishna Maharaj Today Gopal Krishna Maharaj Vaishnava feast. अच्छा, थैंक यू.
मैंने बनाया देखा. आपने बनाया तो इसको जाकर भाई कैसे